more option in our company, that is COP, LOP. Let's to check this display area. In our company, we have different kind of choosing for the COP and LOP. We have different color and we have different material. This one is rose gold and this one is black titanium. We have full height type, also we have the separate type. This one is the 304 stainless steel, the material we're using in the frigid elevator. The 304 type is same like we cooking use, so it's very strong and safety. And this one we're using in the business elevator. Special I want to talk that is our landing light. We have a lot of landing light that customer choosing. You can see the landing light is flashing. That means this floor is arrived. It won't show us which floor it is, but the light will flashing. Will keep the customer security. Also in our factory, we can make the video and the picture machine in the cabin or on the COP. You can make your self-company advertisement in the elevator. I think this is the best choice.